Million and thousand. Somehow it is difficult to read in Excel sheets. Today, I will show you how to convert the numbers into M and K instead of showing the full number. Here, I have the city names with the populations. They are all in thousand. It is hard to read it out. 996,000. Instead of this format, I want to use K as thousand. First, I highlight the cells. Right-click and format cells. Here on Number tab, select Custom and General. In Type section, I type 0.0 and comma. This comma says that don't show 3 characters from the left. I say instead show me K. So I type K in capital and put it into quotation marks. I'm done here. Press an OK. Now, instead of 996,000, it is 996K. The same is with million. I highlight the cells and right-click. Go to Format Cells. On Number tab, select Custom and General. In Type section, I type 0.0, comma, and again comma. Because it is million, each comma is for 3 zeros. And type M as million into quotation marks. Okay, that's it. It is showing million. Now we have the mixture of million and thousand. The first steps are the same. Highlight the cells and right-click, go to Format Cells. On Number tab, select Custom and General. In Type section, 99, 99, 50 into square brackets. After opening a square bracket, type less than. Now 0.0, comma, K into quotation marks. For million, we have to use semicolon. Copy the first expression for 1,000 and paste it. Here, after 50, type 3 zeros. And the comma must be 2. And instead of K, I type M. I'm finished. Press an OK. Yes, now K and M are showing us thousand and million. Now suppose we have a billion number. Here I have country population and the number is in billion. I copied and pasted the numbers in the bottom of our form. This time, because I want to see M, K and B all together, that's why I highlight all cells. Format Cells and Custom. I want the expression which we have typed in the previous level. So cancel it. This time just highlight a million and thousand cells. Copy the expression which we have entered in the previous step. And OK. Again, highlight all together and repeat the procedure. Paste the expression into the Type section. But now we have to add billion here. Use semicolon. Then, without the square brackets or numbers, type 0.0 and 3 commas. This time, type B as billion into the quotation marks. And OK. Yes, we did it. The last and much important point here is, when we are struggling with charts. Yes, I've created this chart out of this list. You see, all the numbers are into each other and can't be read easily. These two lists are the same, but here I didn't use an expression. I can use the expression like the previous steps on this list too, or add another chart for the expression list. I select the data, go to Insert, and Add Chart. And add data labels. Here I remove China because its population is much higher than the others. Can you see the difference in numbers in two charts? You can also change the settings of charts. This is what we talked widely in our charts lesson. When you work with large numbers, this way of number formatting is readable and good.